Hello, fellow YouTubers. My name is Kevin Reese. I'm the owner of K-Kwoodworking. Well, my wife and I are the owner of K-Kwoodworking. We have 3 separate shops on the property. We sit on 2.5 acres. You're currently in the shop that we do the lasering, the rotary engraving, and the embroidery. Laid out in front of me are some of the products that we make. Sitting next to me, of course, is the next protege, the next up-and-coming K-Kwoodworking owner, my son. We're going to talk about some of the products that we make. Then we'll go down and we'll do a shop tour of the shop that we make all the products in. We make several different things. These are shaped. Mostly we do work for law enforcement, military, fire, but we do work for the public. We do work for anyone. Because we do awards and trophies, most all of our stuff are rotary or laser engraved. This is in the shape of a patch. And of course, an arrowhead. Another shape of a patch. Of course, these outers and inners come in different configurations, different wood species. This is a lasered plaque. It's on leather. These are one-piece shadow boxes that we make, of course, in the same shape. They're separated from the front and the cover, and they're loaded. All the loading, felting, everything is done by us here at our shops. Now I can't get the lid back on. There it is. These are coin holders that we make, and of course coins. Of course, we distribute coins, badges, belt buckles, pins. All the artwork is done for us or by us, and then we correspond with our clients and manufacture the coins and ship them out to you. This is this one holds 55 to 60 coins. It's round, obviously. This one's square, 55 to 60 coins. I'm sorry, 50 to 55 coins. These are just plaques we do. These are generics I did up for a show. Usually people get them with pictures. Pictures of different things, or their artwork, or different stuff. Again, all the artwork and graphics and all the lasering, of course, is done by us right here in our shops. This is just another one I did for a show. Obviously, it's a 9/11 shadow box. One piece. Of course, we do 5-piece stuff too as far as shadow box go, and we load them. We also do display boxes, gun boxes, large boxes, chain of command boards for different military and law enforcement. Of course, like I said, we do embroidery, rotary engraving, and of course manufacture wooden parts in our cabinet shop. When I come back with you, we'll be in our cabinet shop and I will give you a tour of our shop. Hello again, fellow YouTubers. I was remiss in my opening to not thank you for all the YouTubes, all the people out there that did YouTubes on shop tours, all your knowledge that you've imparted and given away. I'm always amazed and taken back with the generosity of craftsmen throughout the United States and their abilities to be craftsmen, whether it be machinists or woodworkers or whatever it is. I appreciate all the videos. I've watched them all. I love them all. And it motivated me to make one of my own. We're in the main shop, which is 32 by 54. It's 19.6 to the peak. It's a metal building. Being that I'm in Southern California, a metal building works much better for me. We are at about 4,000 feet. We do get snow up here in the winter. But the sun shines every day, and of course once the sun shines, it heats the metal up, and voila, it's warm enough to work. The building I put up myself, the end walls I built myself. Of course, the electrical I had done. Everything else I did myself. We'll just go ahead and start with our shop tour. Because we make plaques, trophies, awards, and award stuff, we do a lot of production stuff, meaning I have to repeat things several times. So most of the machines are set up on for dedicated pieces. These two shapers are set up for dedicated plaques. moving along. Obviously, we have metal work because we do metal work as far as lasering on it, manufacturing of it. So it's a brake, and those are pneumatic jigs that we use for making our products. Another shaper. Of course, most of our shapers have power feeders. Again, because we make awards and trophies, we need to be exact in our stuff. So all but one of our shapers has a power feeder. This is just another shaper. Of course, our lathe, which we work in our shop every day, so our stuff is a little dirty. It's not real clandestine in here, but we do manufacture and work in here every single day. And it is only me and my wife, and I do work in here every day, and because of that, things get dirty. I apologize for that. Another shaper. We primarily use the big one for making shadow boxes, 5-piece shadow boxes. Moving this way, of course, our double miter saw. I bought these brand new and set it up on 45 and never taken them off. That way they stay true at 45. Our benches, which obviously are used and dirty, but we manufacture product on them every day. This is a pneumatic V-nailer back here, again for making, obviously for making shadow boxes and frames, things like that. Moving this way, table saw, which every shop has. This is a 36-inch 273D Oliver scroll saw. Because we make one-piece stuff, large seamless stuff, we need to make molds, because the molds are made out of 1 3/4 inch stuff. Obviously plywood sandwiched together. We needed a scroll saw that was able to cut through a large, big product so that I can make molds. This does a real nice job. I like it an awful lot. This is a Maggie Jr. 14-inch radial arm saw. I like it a lot. It works really well. I had a lot of radial arm saws before. I broke down and got this one. This one's got a 30-inch run, and I can cut just about anything I need. Moving this way. Spindle sander. Oscillating spindle sander. I like it a lot. Horizontal boring machine. Profile sander. Even though the profile sander has a lot of stuff stacked on it right now, I do use it an awful lot. The shadow boxes we have, I have it set up right now with a Maggie wheel, and I can run the shadow boxes through the 5-piece stuff and sand them all in one shot. It's a great tool. I like it a lot. Bandsaw, not too much to say about a bandsaw. It's a bandsaw. It's a 9-inch oscillating edge sander. Works really well. I use it an awful lot. Of course, in my business, without being able to move through product, you can't make any money. Of course, the drill press. Not much to say about the drill press. It's a drill press. Pin router. This one's a wood tech. This one's pneumatic, so the quail moves up and down, the quill moves up and down, which I like. It's kind of a light model. Of course, your clamp rack. Where would you be without a clamp rack? In my business, where I have to glue up small stuff for plaques all the time, clamp rack's really nice. Yeah. This is an old 327 Ekstrom Carlson spindle pin router. I use it a lot. I bought it, it was completely tore up. I redid the motor, redid the spindle, put it back together. Good tool. Without it, we couldn't produce a good 30% of the products we make. Moving this way, wide belt sander. It's an oscillating wide belt sander. I like it. It works well. This is a stroke sander over here. Being that we make a lot of parts between 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 inches, spindle sanders work, stroke sanders work really well. You can move through product. surface planer, and molder. The molder, I had knives made specifically for our 5-piece shadow boxes, a profile form that's specific to us. The molder is, of course, it's a fox, or it's a grizzly, but it's a good molder. It's a simple tool that has made us a lot of money. I highly recommend it. Joiner, not too much to say about a joiner. It's a joiner. I thank you so much. Well, maybe we should get our dust collection system in here. Moving this way, we have, of course, we have our dust collection system on the wall, and we have our large dust collection system back here. And of course, our air, which we run on a line system, so that we can move through product. I appreciate you watching our video and taking interest in our company. You can find us online at K-Kwoodworking.com. All our information is there. Thank you again for watching. Take care.